This video is for all the beautiful souls out there who have a chest cold. This is just a quick thing I love to do to help loosen up phlegm in my chest, descend the lung qi. In Chinese medicine, we want the lung qi to go down, not up. Going up is coughing. So, yeah, we just do our Tarzan. Beat the chest. This is where lung 1, lung 2 are. And then you can go down the channel. It's a Qigong technique. You're just tapping the inside of the arm lightly on the thenar eminence. That's the lung channel on the thumb. And then a quick squeeze at the corner of the thumbnail. And that helps to release fever. You can also squeeze this point, lung 10. And that helps with a sore throat. Going up the lung channel on the inside of the arm, you're going to find a tendon. Press and squeeze in there, and that dispels phlegm in the lungs. Go down until you find a tender point, and that'll help with cough. And you want to do both sides, okay? But if you have a sore throat, say for example on this side, you would use the same side on the thumb and press in there. All right? Follow for more health tips, and yeah, all my love your way.